Located in Portsmouth historic dockyard, there is this fascinating museum called Boathouse 4. You can see what they do, ship to shore, but so many of these boats they have refurbished themselves. When I first saw this long, sleek boat, I thought it was something ultra-modern, but indeed not. It is a working replica of a First World War torpedo boat being built over the last 7 years by the volunteer working parties. Fantastic job, gentlemen. And ladies, of course. Some of you may or may not have seen this film, which tells the story of this episode in World War II. It's roughly right. The plan was to travel by submarine to the estuary of the River Gironde, where 12 Royal Marine Commandos would crew 6 two-man folding canoes and paddle 70 miles upriver to Bordeaux, a vital German port at that time. Of the 6 canoes, 1 was damaged getting off the boat, 3 were lost in the treacherous waters of the estuary, understandably, as this was December 1942. 2 canoes got through and spent 2 to 3 hours attaching their limpet mines to the ships in port, doing a great deal of damage. Of the 10 men who left the submarine, only 2 made it home, 2 were drowned, and the others were shot. So after all that exhausting excitement, I decided to take a cruise. No, not that one. This one.